Today, we're diving headfirst into the mind-bending world of the observer effect. Ever heard of it? Well, buckle up because this concept is like the coolest roller coaster for your brain. Imagine this. Every thought you have is like a pebble tossed into this massive pond called existence. But get this, these ripples you create aren't just passive echoes. They're like little architects shaping the shores of your experiences. Wild, right? Now, let's take a leap into quantum mechanics. We're talking about particles like electrons and photons that can behave as both waves and particles. Hold on, did I just say they're like Schrodinger's cat, both alive and not alive at the same time? Wrap your head around that. This mind-boggling experiment called the double-slit experiment? When particles aren't observed, they're all waving around, creating this interference pattern. But the moment someone peeks, bam, they act like particles. It's like they know they're being watched. Creepy or cool, you decide. But here's the kicker. Some interpretations hint that this observer effect isn't just for the microscopic stuff. No, it might stretch its quantum arms into our macro reality. Yeah, like your thoughts could be doing the cha-cha with the universe itself. Let's talk consciousness and reality. Some folks believe that our observations or conscious awareness can influence the big old reality show we're all living in. I'm talking about the idea that reality isn't this fixed thing. It's like Play-Doh, shaped by our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions. Mind blown yet? And hey, ever heard of the law of attraction? It's like the cool cousin of the observer effect. This law suggests that your thoughts, positive or negative, can attract corresponding experiences into your life. So, are you broadcasting good vibes or a cosmic series of meh? Now, merging these mind-bending concepts is like mixing science and spirituality in a quantum smoothie. It's the idea that our thoughts aren't just chilling in the passenger seat, they're driving the reality bus. But wait, does that mean you can think your way into a dream vacation? Food for thought. The observer effect, though rooted in quantum mechanics, stirs up some heavy philosophical questions. It's like that rebellious teenager questioning if reality is all that objective. Are we just dreaming this all up as we go along? Think about it. Particles exist in a range of possibilities until someone decides to peek. It's like reality's a giant choose-your-own-adventure book. But does that mean we're the authors of our lives or just avid readers along for the ride? But hold your horses. Before you start painting your dream life with a magical wand of positive thoughts, there's a twist. See, while your mindset and intentions are essential, they might not be the sole directors of the blockbuster movie called your life. Reality check. External factors, societal structures, and a dash of randomness might also be scribbling on the script. So, how much of your reality can you really mold like Play-Doh? Remember those wiggly particles we talked about? Well, their behavior isn't just a one-time show, it's a whole series. The quantum world whispers secrets about the interconnectedness of particles within a system. It's like they're having a never-ending tea party where everyone's vibes affect the entire gathering. Talk about a unity vibe. But wait, there's more. Quantum events throw a curveball into the concept of determinism. See, these events might not be predetermined. They're like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get until you take a peek. So, does randomness have a backstage pass in the Grand Universe Theater? Now, let's stir the pot a bit. Some theories hint that a conscious observer, yes, a person like you or me, might influence the outcome of these quantum shenanigans. It's like you're waving a magic wand in the subatomic realm. Cool superhero power or just a cosmic coincidence? And here comes the plot twist. Free will. Yup, that philosophical puzzle that's been giving us headaches for ages. If our consciousness can sway the quantum dance, does that mean we're like puppet masters pulling the strings of reality? Do our choices sculpt the universe's marble block into a masterpiece or a mess? But hold on to your thinking caps, we're just getting started. See, applying these mind-bending quantum theories to our everyday lives is like making a quantum leap. While positive thinking and intentions can spark fireworks in your personal galaxy, there's a whole cosmic orchestra playing along. In this symphony called life, your thoughts might be the melody, but societal structures, external influences, and a sprinkle of chaos are part of the harmony. So, how much of your reality is a carefully composed sonnet, and how much is an improvised jazz session? And here's the kicker, the danger of falling into the magical thinking trap. Sure, positive thoughts are like sunshine for your soul, but they might not part the Red Sea or summon unicorns. Real life is a cocktail of intentions, actions, and a splash of luck. But fear not. While we can't rewrite reality with a snap of our fingers, we can certainly tweak the script. It's like being the co-author of your story, collaborating with the universe. So, are you ready to co-write your next chapter? We've journeyed through quantum realms, danced with particles, and pondered the mysteries of our thoughts shaping reality. Now, let's harness this quantum mojo and sprinkle it into our everyday lives. So, here's the scoop. While we might not have superpowers to bend spoons or levitate objects with our minds, bummer, right? We do have the power of intention. Our thoughts act as seeds that, when nurtured with action, can blossom into the gardens of our lives. Let's start with a bit of cosmic meditation. Picture this, you, in full Zen mode, observing your thoughts like clouds passing by. This mindful practice tunes us into the present moment, where we're not just passengers but active participants in the cosmic show. Hey, it's like being the star of your own movie. Now, about those intentions and goals. It's not just about throwing darts blindfolded and hoping they hit the bullseye. No, it's about visualizing those targets, setting clear goals, and then rolling up your sleeves to chase them down. Quantum physics might not give us a cheat code, but it sure tells us that focusing on those goals might just nudge the universe in our favor. And let's not forget our internal chatterbox, the one that keeps whispering sweet nothings or doom and gloom. Yep, that's our self-talk. We've got the power to flip the script on that narrative, rewiring those neural pathways with positive affirmations. Who knew our brains were the ultimate quantum computers, huh? But here's the reality check. While our thoughts and intentions are like the GPS guiding us, they're not the only voice in the car. External factors, societal structures, and the occasional plot twist might toss some detours into our cosmic road trip. So let's buckle up and navigate through it all with grace. Now, cue the empathy orchestra. Observing and understanding different perspectives isn't just a quantum dance move. It's a heart-to-heart connection. By tuning into others' vibes, we contribute to a cosmic harmony. After all, we're not solo acts. We're part of a cosmic choir. Gratitude, the sweet nectar of positivity. It's like sprinkling cosmic glitter over your life. By consciously observing and appreciating the good stuff, we shift our focus from the shadows to the stars. It's the quantum version of changing the channel to a feel-good movie marathon. But hey, let's talk environmental awareness. Our actions aren't just blips on the radar, they're echoes in the universe. By observing our impact and making conscious choices, we're like cosmic caretakers, keeping this spinning rock we call home a little shinier. Now, here's the grand finale. We might not have discovered the universal remote control to rewind, pause, or fast-forward reality, but we've unearthed something more precious, a deeper understanding. In this quantum quest, we've learned that while our thoughts hold a cosmic dance party invitation, they're not the only guests. Reality's more like a potluck, where our intentions bring a dish, but the universe tosses in its secret ingredients. So let's embrace this cosmic collaboration. Let's be architects of our thoughts, creators of our realities, and co-authors of our stories. We might not have a quantum wand, but we've got something better, the power to observe, choose, and act. And as we close this quantum chapter, remember, you're not just stardust, you're the cosmic choreographer of your life's dance. So grab the spotlight, cue the music, and let's boogie through this grand cosmic ballroom called life. Remember, in this dance, you're the star, so shine bright.